Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a little something. As you can see, I got a pregnancy nose. No, not pregnant, but I am completely congested, stuffed up, neck hurting, nose stuff, runny, sneezing, coughing, throat itching, all in a matter of days. So I done tried Vicks Vapor Rub. I done tried my emergency. I done tried Alka-Seltzer. My symptoms keep getting worse, so I think I got the full-blown flu. Still gotta work. Voice getting raspy. I done took some over-the-counter cold and flu liquid. That opened me up for about 2 hours, and now I'm back stuffy. Then I thought about, remember when I bought some menthol from Dubai? Y'all remember I went to Dubai? I know I need to post that last final video. But this is the menthol from Dubai. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So it looks like ice or crystal, but it's not. And it has a strong smell of Vicks Vapor Rub. So what I'm supposed to do is boil water like I'm about to have tea. Put 2 shards in there and sniff it, and hopefully it opens up my nasal passages and gets me from being stuffy. So I'm about to do that right now. Y'all about to see. Let's see how this goes. Okay, y'all, it look like the water is boiling. Got my cup ready and the menthol. So I'm gonna put 1 and 2. Just 2 of them. And then I'm to pour the water over the top of it. Hopefully it doesn't melt the cup. And you're supposed to sniff it. Ooh. Oh, shoot! This cup! Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. It works. Just that little bit. Y'all, look at what I did to this cup. Look at what I did to this cup. Let's try it again. I'm going to put it in a real cup now. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. But just that little bit just opened me the hell up. And that was 2 sniffs. Got my eyes watering. Let me try it again. Hold on. Take 2. I got a real coffee cup. Thank goodness I bought. Okay, I'm going to do that one. Then I'm going to do a smaller one. So I got 2 of them. So now what I'm going to do is just pour the water up in there. And we're going to sniff, sniff, sniff. Here it is. I already see the steam coming off. Let me get to the table. Ooh. Mm. It's getting this one right here. Ooh, I should have put 1. Mm. Oh my God, all of that just came out. Woo! Oh shit, my bad. This should have been. I'm hot all in my body. I feel it all the way down in my chest so far. Okay, note to self, only one shard, only one piece, because this is crazy, bro. Tear it up everywhere. Ooh, y'all hear that? It felt like if I sniff it through my nose and blow through my mouth, a cloud of smoke would come out, but because I feel it going all the way down in here. But, whoo, Dubai got me tearing up, bruh. Look at that. And I feel like I've been boiled in some hot water. I'm so hot from the inside out right now. Now let me blow my nose and see what happened. It's not flying everywhere. This so gross, y'all, but y'all know I'm real with y'all. So this is straight menthol. And what I'm gonna keep doing is just rewarming it. Every time I need to open my, just rewarm this in the microwave. And before bed, take some hits. It's still powerful right now. The vapor done got down in my throat. Throat itching. Now I wonder if I go upstairs and do my favorite pastime, will I ruin it? Will I ruin it by putting smoke in my nasal passages? I already know the answer to that. This is like Vicks Vapor Rub on 1,000. Cause I'm open. I'm definitely open. Ooh. Big. That shit too strong. Ooh. Got that glory tear. All right, that's about enough. I'm gonna check back in with y'all later to see how I'm doing. Hopefully the shit allows me to get a good night's rest. And I won't be coughing and hacking if I have to go out tonight and see some folks for my job. So, I'm gonna let y'all This one is starting to clog up. Let me do it. Ooh, like fire! Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay.